Review Sample Z on YouTube. Welcome back. So let's continue where we left off. We're continuing to look at Resource Styles Dictionary, and this time I'm going to see how to apply the styles to a control like a button. So let's get right into it. Create a new project. WPF application. Source Dictionary Part 2. So you select a place where to save your file, or put mine in here. I'm using .NET 8 long-term support. If you got to .NET 9, you can still follow along. Okay, now let's continue. So we'll start here. So what we want to do is use more than one file. So we're going to do this. So from the starter kit, we're going to get this. The starter kit will be in the description section. If you want the download the link, we'll do this first.
May I use your mic? Where the mic?
Okay, so start here. So this will be, these files will be in the starter kit here. So get this here. So this is what we use to enable us to reference more than one resource style dictionary in here. Okay, so put that there. Then just remove these there. Okay, so that is yielding nested properties are not supported. Okay, all right. I think it's what did we get? Oh, okay. Okay, so there we are. All right, so add reference more than one document here. Then we'll come here. So add a new folder. So in styles we'll have so this will be for the UI colors. So go to the starter kit. To save time, I already put this in here already. So these are the color configurations from the first video. So we'll just get these. So copy. Then we'll come and put them in here. And we'll make another styles dictionary. So this one will reference directly just the button controls. The styles just specifically for the buttons. It will target the buttons. Okay, so there we are. So go back here. So we'll get everything here. copy, then you come and paste here. Okay, so there we are. Then these lines here, it's because we haven't referenced anything at the app.xaml layer, so we're going inside there. Then there we'll do this. Let's get those. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so there we are. So you just type this in. Then right, okay, so we are continuing. So we're going back to this document here. Okay, so everything is all good there. Then everything is all good here. So button orange bright. Let's see. Okay, no buttons. Yeah, let's take that color. Okay, then we'll come here to the main window. So main window, we'll come back to our starter kit. Open this here and we'll get that first. Copy. Then we'll come here. Let's paste that in. Okay, so to make things look interesting, and we'll just change orientation. We'll come back to this document here. I'm going to select everything here to save time. Then some features already been referenced there. I think so. For this video, I'm just looking at the template style design for the button. So we're going to reference the button. Let's see. Okay, so that's what it's saying here. Resource button light gray could not be resolved. No light gray there. Okay, so come and just do this. Okay, get the default for the button. Okay, so let's see. Then come to the button again. Some brackets. Okay. Alright, okay, so here I think this was the problem all along. Let's try that. Okay, let's change. Okay, let's try this color. All right, so I think when you have over the button, okay, then let's run that first. Okay, so let's come here. Let's do it with this. So come here, so when you select template binding, it will reference this value here. So come again for height. Template binding, height. Okay, let's see if we can get background. So this background is this one which has been selected here. So let's save that. Let me come here. So there's our button. So let's reference the same configurations here for button 2 here. Come to button 2 here and we'll say static resource style button. So there's our button there. So that's how we reference buttons from the resource dictionary there. Then let's see if we missed some things. Let's see if we missed some things. Let's have it to look when we run it. Okay, and there we are. So let's just go back over everything again. Okay, so we set up more than one resource dictionary. So I've got one for colors here. Then we've got one specific targeting controls like button control. So we can have another one targeting maybe a control like label. It can be a control targeting a label. It could be a control targeting a list box, a list view, a menu. Then we just come and put those styles in a specific resource dictionary. Then to reference more than one resource dictionary, we use the merged dictionaries tag here. Then we can reference more than one resource dictionary here. So we have UI colors and UI buttons there. Then we come to main window. Oh, sorry, before we go there. Then we come and set up the properties and styles there. So in the style we'll have the key, so the key will be the name of the button. So the variable will be style button, so to target a specific type of control. That target type will be specifically for buttons in the whole application. Then set up property, we will set up background. So background color will reference from the static resource from the UI colors dictionary. Then we'll do the same for the foreground color. Then font weight will be bold, font size will be 25 the value, font family value will be Poppins, then font height will be 50, font width, then setup property template. So setup property template, you have the control template. Then in the control template, you target the type of button, then they will add the border. So that border which has been added there is this one which you see around here. So the original template has been modified. So the original template has been modified. Then we give it a corner radius of 20. Then width, we use the template binding, which we have specified here. Then template binding height, we use which we have specified here. Then the background color is the same one which we have specified here. Then the same thing for style trigger property. So the style trigger property, the background color which shows is referencing this color here, basic Spotify green 2. So this one will be this color here. This one which has been referenced here. So this is the style